we're trying a new technique today. No more gaps I've found works really well as a sealant when you're doing this, because one, it dries fairly fast, and two, it doesn't stick too well that you can't get it off, but it sticks pretty well. So Brian's put more gaps on the bottom of these, and then we're going to use some baking powder and lay it along here. And so use our old baking powder, and we're actually going to use the side of our river pour as a sealer. So you want to seal them down, mate. Leave a bit of gap. Not leaving much gap there, mate.
That's a gappy enough.
Oh, alright. So that pushes down, and theoretically the epoxy shouldn't stick to the baking paper. We'll find out. If it does, it's easy to sand off anyway. And then we've also got some no more gaps around the end here. So the baking paper will seal there, just with a piece of timber clamp on each end. So there's our baking paper mould. So we're going to clamp down on the top of these fellas.
One more clamp.
One more clamp. We'll even clean the no more gaps up out of the road, because we don't want that getting stuck under our job. And away we go. Ain't going anywhere.
And now,
so that's all held down.
Now, do we want to put a...
No, I reckon we just do the pour.
Run
so,
down there?
No, I reckon we just do it so it comes out to the edge. What do you reckon?
Well, I was just making sure that it doesn't run away.
Yeah, it might be safer to do that. Yeah.
Hope we're good enough.
Do it right up the clamp. Yeah. So we're running a layer now along the top, just to dam it so it can't come out everywhere. Who said you can't make radiata pine look beautiful? So this is the mould that's made up using the baking paper, clamped either end, no more gaps holding up each end, so it's dammed and underneath, and it's containing it really well. We've got a day before we'll know whether it worked, because that's how long it takes for this to gel, especially in this cooler weather. It's only about 22, 23 degrees in here today, so it should be gelled by tomorrow sometime, but that's it still run away any time in that. But we've worked out it doesn't react with the no more gaps. Even put a little bit extra here. Where was it? There. Because it was going to run over. Oh no, there. It was going to run over, and just whack some no more gaps on, and away we went. And even added a bit more here because it was low and looked like it was going to run over the top. So let's see how she goes. So that's our baking paper mould. Pretty easy, and there's no reason why you couldn't even do it on a large river pour. The important thing is your base. You've got to have a solid piece of timber for your base, otherwise you'll get yourself into trouble. So that's pretty good. So in a couple of days time we'll be able to pull her apart